I'm also very happy to have the Consul General of France over here, Monsieur Alexei Chajatinsky. We are very honored to have a performance here in collaboration with the Arts Council of Karachi. It's a very prestigious and it's very aligned with our own mission at the Alliance Française. We both want to promote culture, and we want to be a platform for art and cultural exchange in this city. So we are very happy and very honored, Mr. Ahmed Shah, and for your collaboration with us. I would like you all to please support the Alliance Française and to follow our Instagram, AF Karachi. And I hope that you will become members and keep up with all the events for the year. We have many, many planned, and they're not just art, they're music, they're culture, they're food events. So I hope to see you all there. Monsieur Clement Visage is a very talented musician and is on the cutting edge of Electro-Pop in France. And I'm sure you will be mesmerized by his introspective and chic pop, as I've heard. I hope you enjoy the evening, and thank you so much.
Are you guys ready for some music? Should we call him on stage? Mr. Clement Visage.